It's amazing! Watch how online banking uses the power of the internet to make banking transactions happen like magic without getting up or lifting heavy objects. For simple transactions, online banking is a must. It goes deep down into the system to track your account for you, and it gets rid of the hassle. Have you ever gone to the bank and forgotten your agenda? Well, online banking is convenient and tough, and it removes the risk of having to drive back home. If you've saved yourself a couple minutes, then online banking has paid for itself. Some transactions are normally painstaking, but online banking safely transfers money between accounts, even between people. It is the banking tool for the things that you love. Add an account number for every utility that you pay. It will boost the bill-paying power of your online account. Don't just bank, online bank.